Anti-bomb! 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 Allo! Allo, no! Anti-bomb! Anti-bomb, Chelu! Chelu! Nico! Chelu! What is this? Anti-bomb!
Hi!
Why are you doing this to me? Anti-bomb, why are you doing this to me?
Hi! See the way you just scared us, eh? And why were you running as if a monster is after you?
Anti-bomb, how many times have I told you? How many times have I told you that whenever you run out of water, firewood, even bush meat, anunchi, get on and I will come running. Azubike will come running to your aid. How many times? I've told you not to carry heavy things on your head. I told you to imagine up my gear. Oh, it's not funny, it's not funny.
You do virtually everything for me and my family. You help us with effort. You help us with our farm work. You go to the bush and hunt for us. Now this small firewood that I can at least do so that it will be my own contribution, you will still not allow me to do it. Eh? Do you want me to become lazy? Eh? And don't forget that people talk too much. If they see you now, they'll now start saying that I have turned my love into a servant.
Let them talk. Yes, let them talk. Yeah, but for crying out loud, I am in love. I am in love.
This one that this love is burning like this, let it not quench you. You two should come and do the necessary things so that you can formalize your marriage, so that we can all celebrate.
Tell him. Just come and take me out of that house.
Come! I'm coming. But I'm good.
Do you want this?
No, that's all. Warrior God did that.
Warrior God did that.
Let me hurry home and fetch what I'll see in the evening.
Go well, eh? I hope you won't stop treating me the way you're treating me now when we get married.
How do you mean that? Where is that coming from?
Don't you know that a lot of men change towards their wives when they get married? Especially when childbirth starts expanding and disfiguring their bodies.
See, our love was ordained by the gods. Yeah. And besides, if I ever turn my back on Isiam, the source of my joy, may I die angry man.
I will only stop loving you when the sun starts.
Why? Why must she get all the good things in this village? She has so blinded Azubike that he cannot even see how much I love him. What? Why are you here?
You look troubled. See, well, anyways, I don't know if there's something I could do to make you happy. Alright? Well, in any ways, I brought you gifts.
Okay, Zee, why are you here?
You sound as if you don't know that my heart lingers for you. But see, I feel so desire to have you.
What do you want from me?
Nwokoye, please marry me. Please.
I've told you before, I don't love you.
So, why?
I don't love you. I will never love you. Quit bothering me and take your stupid gifts and your marriage proposals to willing maidens in the village.
But it is you that I want, Nwokoye.
Does it occur to you that marriage is a prison? So it's better you marry someone that you love to avoid prison break.
But I still maintain, it is you that I want.
Then count your losses. I can never marry you.
Nice of you to come watch me prepare for the wrestling contest.
I cannot wait for the great Azubike to go for that wrestling contest and come back with victory. Because I know that my Azubike can even go to the land of the spirits, wrestle with the gods, and come back here victorious. I'm a
Thank you for believing in me, Izibo. Your love has even made me stronger. Now I can go into the contest with my head up high. Because your love will make me a conqueror.
That is so sweet of you. I brought food for you.
Wow. How terrible the evening will be without you.
Let us find somewhere cool so that you can enjoy your meal.
Exactly.
Akuko, Ma, I don't want you to misunderstand these two things. Because it's better for a man to be the one chasing after a woman than a woman chasing a man.
Ha! Ma, Ibiakwao.
Yes, Akuko. In that sense, he would do everything to make you a happy woman.
Okay, Zee. What are you doing in my father's house?
Hey, Akwam, you're back.
I repeat, what are you doing in my father's house?
See, Akwam, my chap has got this very big bushmeat, okay? And I'm here, I'm trying to prepare it for you.
Okay, Zee, stop coming to me. I'm not interested in you or your stupid bushmeat. If I ever see you in this compound again, I'll do something to you that you got to be marveled at. Rubbish.
Akwam.
Obiamaka. Hi. Are you okay? Yes, Nne, I'm fine. Why do you ask?
It's evident you are thinking about that young man so much.
Nne. Why won't I think about him so much, eh? Very soon he'll come with his parents for the dowry negotiation. And very soon too, I will go home with him and his wife. Mel, I'm just imagining how beautiful that day will be. I'm trying to imagine how happy everybody will be. Hi! I can't wait. It's okay, I can't wait.
That's okay. That's okay. Oh yeah, set the fire and prepare the food quickly before your father comes home starving. Alright?
Okay,
let me finish what I'm doing at the back here. Obiamaka.
They say love is blind, but I don't see it. They say love is blind, but in you I don't see it. Love ma, love for carry me go up on jet. Love for carry me go up on nata. It don't feel me like a water, but now you I know. Come rain, come shine, oh are you a Sansa become Omo we kubega kwa fama kahisi bida Omo kubega kwa siri fama kachisi daya Nelinia akwa gina na abima Na chumta akwa gina na abima Nehigayura akwa gina na abima Rapundo wakasi aliba Sansa give love me Asingi rapundo wakapu garibano Sansa give kabima Gabu wata na mama Dara Kankara meri funanga Dara mama Dara Kankara meri Dara mama Dara Kankara meri funanga Dara mama Dara Kankara meri
Our son is treading on a dangerous ground.
Dangerous ground?
My husband, I don't understand.
We had plans from the onset, but he seems to be deviating from it by his entanglement with that useless girl. Do you know I caught your son red-handed, frolicking with that useless girl in the most absurd manner? You wouldn't believe that.
What do we do? What do we do to stop him?
We are going to do anything possible to disengage them. Yes, before the situation gets worse.
Nani, I am solidly behind you on any decision you take. But you need to come and sleep. The night is far too long for you to keep watch over it. Please. Piala rola nai, biko. Oh, come. Please, come and sleep. Thank you.
It's okay. Oh, Diego.
Onyirabanuno, Onyirabanuno, Osamiri Viazoa, Osaroshe Viazoa, Osafia Viazoa, Omiri Viazoa, Onyirabanuno, Samiri Viazoa, Onyirabanuno, Saroshe Viazoa, Onyirabanuno, Onyirabanuno, Samiri Viazoa, Saroshe Viazoa, Saroshe Viazoa, Onyirabanuno, Onyirabanuno, Samiri Viazoa, Saroshe Viazoa, Osafia Viazoa, Omiri Viazoa, Onyirabanuno, Onyirabanuno, Osamiri Viazoa, Osaroshe Viazoa, Osafia Viazoa, Omiri Viazoa, Onyirabanuno, Osamiri Viazoa,
No! No! No!
This is the will of the gods.
My only daughter! The only child I have!
You don't have a choice here. She has the final say. There's nothing we can do about this.
Help! Hey! Hey!
No!
Why are you crying? Eh? What happened to you? Do you have sand all over your body? Give me me. Did anything happen while I was away? Talk to me now. Nam, why isn't they crying? What happened? No, what happened? Please, someone should talk to me. Someone should talk to me. Why are all of you like this?
Oh, my daughter. The gods have stretched forth their hands to pluck the only eye from a one-eyed man.
Please, I will understand you better if you speak to me in plain language. What happened?
Hey! The oldest mothers were here a while ago.
Those witches that have refused to die?
Don't call them witches. They are messengers from the gods.
Okay. So why were they here?
Do you know why? My daughter, they were here in search of the next sorceress.
The next sorceress. So, how does it concern us?
My daughter, I'm sorry. Hey!
Please, tell me this is a joke.
My daughter, how I wish it was, Obiamaka. I wish it was a joke. It is true. It is true, Obiamaka. Oh. No. Sorry that they chose you to be the next sorceress of Amao.
You are sorry. You are sorry. Chalo, a blind witch walks into my father's compound and proclaims me the next sorceress. All my father can say to me is sorry. Sorry! What am I supposed to do with your sorry? Tell me, what am I supposed to do with your sorry? Sorry. And I will spend the rest of my life confined to a shrine. Sorry. And I won't be able to marry and give you grandchildren like I've always wanted. What exactly are you sorry for? What exactly are you sorry for? Tell me, what are you sorry for? Never. Never. It will not happen. I will never be the next sorceress of Amugu. Never! There are other young maidens out there who will gladly take up that offer. Not me. I will not do it. I will do it.
Come back, my daughter. What will you have me do? I cannot change the decision of the gods. How can I watch the gods take my only daughter? My only child that I have dreamt that will give me grandchildren. Can't you see I am left with no choice?
It is my life. And I do have a choice. Even the gods know that.
Oh! Just tell me job. Come on now.
nice again, eh? What did you say? Okay. Okay. Please. Where did he go and when is he coming back?
What is that your name? Obiamaka. Now listen to me very well. Azubike is not coming back anytime soon. In fact, Azubike is no longer coming back to this village. So go and face other things and leave Azubike alone. Did I make myself clear? And let this be the last time I will see you anywhere around this vicinity.
My father and I are making arrangements to come and see how we can perform some traditional rites. Yeah, though he wasn't happy seeing us around the woods. Yeah, the things we are doing something wrong.
We're not.
Yeah, I hope to come see your parents tonight. Yes, I hope to come see your father tonight and have fun.
Hi, Busy Boom. That will make me the happiest girl on this earth. You know I cannot wait to be your wife.
Yeah, just cannot wait to be your husband.
In fact, take your people and come to my house today. I come and perform everything today. I'm ready.
I am ready too.
Go tell them you are the one for me.
That's not possible. It's only virgins that become sorceress in Amago, and you're no longer a virgin.
I am still a virgin.
No, you're not. You told me you were going to give it to Azubike.
I did not. Even I know I promised I was going to give you my virginity if you win the wrestling contest. But thinking about our tradition and our custom, I think it's better for me to keep it until we get married. What do you think?
You made the right decision, and I'm so proud of you. I shall patiently wait for the night of our marriage.
They say love is blind, but I see a moon. They say love is blind,
What I just told you now is the truth. I mean, this whole thing is an aberration. It doesn't make sense. I cannot do it. I cannot be the sorceress. I have a life to live. A life filled with love. I cannot throw that all away just to be confined in a shrine all my life. But no. I cannot do it. What did I do wrong? Who did I offend? Why was I picked amongst other girls? Why? I can't do this.
You see, it's an honor to be chosen to serve the gods.
No. It is a curse. Trust me, it is a curse. And I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I cannot do it.
Thank you, the gods of our land. Thank you, the gods of our land. Thank you, the gods of our land. Hey! I'm the happiest girl in Amugo now. The gods are very wise. Thank you for paving the way for me. You knew all along that Azubike was mine. That is why you took Obiamaka out of the way. Ha! Thank you, the gods of our land. Let me see how she will marry him from the shrine. Hi! Azubike, my love. I always knew that we were destined to be together. Don't worry. I will show you greater love than Obiamaka ever showed you. Hey! I'm so happy. Thank you, the gods of our land. 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 Hey! Azubike, my love. I can't wait. Hey!
The time has come. Obo, you are here to sanctify your daughter. The gods are waiting.
Go and call Obiamaka. Eh? Go and call her.
Obiamaka.
Nine. She is not in her room. And her clothes, all her clothes are not there either.
What? Where could she be? Obiamaka! 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 Obiamaka!
Obiamaka!
Obiamaka!
Did she tell you where she was going?
She did.
Where was she? Obiamaka! Obiamaka! Hey! Hey! Nwa alaputa mo!
Obiamaka!
Nwa alaputa no mo! Hey! Oh, can you see that? Hey! Obiamaka! 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 Hey! Hey! Obiamaka! Hey! 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 Obiamaka! What do we do now?
Where could she possibly be, Ubo?
Igba, I don't know. I don't know. Huh? Hey!
The kingdom is on the brink of collapse. The gods will not forgive us if she's not found.
Igwe, I only have one sister that lives outside this, our village. She stays with her family at Nwokoye. Maybe that is where she might have gone.
Akpi.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go to the farmland. Get Ewite and Nwokoye and go in search of her. Make sure she comes back here with you.
Honor, Your Highness.
Leave the rest guards with me.
You guys see anything? No. You know what? You take this way. You, that way, you. Go this way.
Hey! Come here.
Who are you?
Obiamaka.
We are not going to hurt you. We're looking for our queen. She's tall, slim. Like, have you seen her around?
No.
You didn't see her though?
Have you seen her?
Where are you going to?
My house.
You can go. I said go. Now let's go.
Did you find her?
No, Igwe. We combed everywhere. We didn't see her.
Gods of our land. Gods of our land!
from the village. Just because she doesn't want to serve the gods. It baffles me.
Do you blame her? The dream of every maiden in this our community is to get married to a rich hunter or even a rich farmer. Obiamaka must have had the same dream before the gods of our land pronounced her the nurses of our kingdom.
But it is said that the gods own us and they can do to us what they wish or desire.
What if it was your gunner being forced to leave Ikemba and get and serve the gods?
Nkwa, is that your wish for me? Mbanu, tell me, is that your wish for me?
No, I'm just asking.
Please don't ask. Don't ask because it will never happen. Don't ask. Please.
My love, I am sorry things happened the way it did. But it won't be for long. I shall return and marry you. We will live together as husband and wife. We will grow old together. I have a birthmark inside my heart. And that birthmark is you. Sleep well, wherever you are.
You are the one for me. Go tell them you are the one for me.
I did not say! Bring her along! I did not pull her up! Pull her up! I did not kill anybody! Pull her up! I did not kill anybody!
Good woman! Witch!
Listen to me now! I did not kill anybody! I did not kill anybody!
Yes, you will explain that to Igwe.
I met them like that!
Good woman!
Who do you say she is? She's from Amugu Kingdom. Yes, she's evil. She killed them. She killed Ikenna, my friend, and his wife.
What? Ikenna and his wife dead?
Yes, Your Highness.
Are you sure they weren't sick?
No, they were both strong. I went to Ikenna's house yesterday. I went there, we both agreed that we'll be working in my farmland this morning with our 8th grade mates. So when I went there, after discussing this morning, I waited for him. I did not see him. So I went to his house to check up on him. I discovered that these boys here, they were crying. So I asked, what is the problem? They said that Kenna, my friend, and his wife, they were both dead. So I went there to confirm. It is true. And this witch, this evil woman, she's there too, crying, pretending. She killed them.
No, I have never killed anybody in my life. This is not the first time people of Amugu have been killing my people. And this will be the last time. Take her away, tie her, throw her to the river, and feed her to the crocodiles.
No. Take her!
Stand up, stand up.
Take her!
Stand up.
I did not kill anybody.
Take her!
I did not kill anybody.
Evil woman!
I did not kill anybody.
You will die the way you killed them.
It is served as a deterrent of the Amugu.
Your Highness. There is problem. Any injury in the nostrils gets deeper, deeper, and deeper. I saw 2 corpses with my eyes as I was coming to this palace. That is problem, Your Highness.
Igwe, Ijoma, the daughter of Mazi Osondu is at the point of death. There is problem in the land.
There is.
People are dying. People are dying, Igwe.
Serious problem.
Wise one, do something. Save our children.
There is nothing that I can do. I am not a sorceress. I told you that if you don't find her and bring her to us, there will be calamity in this land. I don't have the hands of healing. She has them. She's the only one that can save this land. I can't.
Gods of our land.
My husband, you have been like this for a long time. Take it easy on yourself.
Lolo,
my husband.
Are you telling me to take it easy? When the kingdom of my forefathers is about to collapse under my watch.
But it's not your fault.
Is it the fault of those sick children that have already reported dead? Will I wait for everyone in this kingdom to die?
But why not call the messengers of the gods and ask them if there is any other solution?
I have already done that. But they said the only solution lies with Obiamaka.
That's why I'm here. My brother went down to the stream to go and fetch water.
Really? My sister does sing for me.
My dear, it's good to have junior ones that help their elders.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true.
I don't know. Are you sure she's okay? I don't understand this girl at all.
Naibo!
What is it? What is it?
She's back.
Who is back?
Obiamaka is back.
Obiamaka, mom.
My daughter. Yes.
Nine.
Where exactly is she? Towards the riverside.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, come on, short.
Bia. Bia. I'm your mother. Bia. Bia.
Asioma biazwa, Osamiri biazwa, Osamaro biazwa, Osamiri biazwa, Osaroshe biazwa, Onyirabanuno, Onyirabanuno, Osamiri biazwa, Osaroshe biazwa, Osamiri biazwa, Onyirabanuno, 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 Osamiri biazwa, Osaroshe biazwa,
I can feel the presence of our fortune. I knew the gods to bring you back. Destined to be here. I knew you can never run for too long. I am here. Let the gods do with me whatever they want.
So, this means I no longer have a child. The only child that separated me from barrenness has been taken away from me. Who will bear me grandchildren? Who will take care of me at my old age? Obiamaka, I cannot stay without you.
My wife, calm down. Calm yourself. My wife, calm down. You see, only the gods have answers to these questions. Who will go against the decision of the gods? No one. I believe they are the ones that will replace what they have taken from us. I believe they will replace it.
Nai, how can the gods replace her? How can they replace her at my age? Can I still bear children? Obiamaka. Obiamaka. Obiamaka.
Don't worry. The gods cannot let us down. They cannot let us down. Just hold yourself. Please, hold yourself. Hold yourself.
They say love is blind, but in you I see it. Love love for carry me upon jet. Love for carry me upon nata. It don't feel me like water, but now you come rain, come shine.
unacceptable. I can't accept this. I can't.
Kimba, those words came from the gods. And there is nothing you can do about it. There is nothing you can do.
The gods should have feelings. Eh? You should know what it means to fall in love. How can he just wake up and ask us to...
Listen. Listen to me. I love you, Kimba. I love you so much. But the gods hold the future. And they have told me mine if I should get married to you. I don't want to be a widow. I want to get married to a man I can grow old with. I'm sorry. We can't go against the gods. If it's the will of the gods, so be it.
Gods of our land! Did I offend you? What have I done to deserve this? What? What have I done? What? What?
Our ghost cannot lie, but they will to blame us.
Lord, leave the eye of the gods.
My husband. The king of Obu sent a message that the prince is coming for a visit tomorrow. So that he will be familiarized with our daughter. But after his visit, I am going to inform the sorceress because she will be the one to join them in marriage.
In fact, I can't wait to see that day my daughter will get married. I will invite all our relatives, my friends. In fact, this kingdom cannot contain everyone.
Okay. I think I'm ready to eat now. Can you please serve me my food?
Oh, no. Let me inform our gods.
honestly, I'm happy because I can't believe that we're finally getting married.
Finally, you are going to be a man.
What are you saying? Haven't I been a man all these years?
Being a married man is different than being a man when you're single.
Can you tell me the difference?
You will soon find out, my love.
Alright, I believe so. And where is my princess taking us to?
Don't worry. You will never be complete until you visit that place.
I can't wait. I can't wait. Please, can you take me there?
Let's go.
Wow. Baby. Robin. Why am I having these feelings? These feelings are killing me.
Long live the success of Amawu Kingdom. I bring a message from the king of Amawu Kingdom. The king has asked me to tell you that marriage ceremony between our princess and the prince of Ogu has been fixed for next after market day. As it is customary, you are expected to come and consummate the marriage.
Tell the king that his message has been received and that I shall grace the ceremony.
Long live.
You can go.
This side will be for our in-laws. The back will accommodate the masquerade, while the front will be for the dancers.
It's wonderful. Okay, one more thing, Your Highness. What about the cows? Are we going to slaughter the cows right away?
No, that will be for the evening.
Okay, to live in it. Yes. It's okay, that's no problem.
Greetings, Your Highness.
The sorceress of Harlan, to what do I hold this visit? I was expecting you to come tomorrow and join them in marriage. What a surprise visit.
Your Highness, it is only a race of no consequence that a woman runs holding her breast. The gods frown at you.
Why? Have I done anything wrong to them?
When a dog sees its master and runs back, it is obvious it has eaten the meat meant for the master. The gods frown and do not approve of that union between Princess Adanna and Prince Agaba.
Why? We took both of them to the gods when they were very young, and they gave their consent. So why have they decided to change their mind?
The gods opened the future for me, and I saw Amungu Kingdom and its inhabitants being wiped away as a result of this union.
How?
Very soon, Prince Agaba will take his father's place. Then, he will lead an onslaught against the people of Amu. A kind of war that has never been seen or heard of. I see horror. I hear cries. I see death, especially for the men. Our women and children will be taken captive, and our land will be taken away from us.
Sorceress of our land, what must I do to avert this treachery?
It is simple. That marriage that has been scheduled for tomorrow cannot happen. The gods have spoken.
Obiamaka, I am greatly disturbed by the outcome of a divination for the princess.
Why should you be?
Obiamaka, why? Why? Because approve of the union. Why would they turn their back on the same union they approved long ago? Why? Are they confused?
He who dines with the vultures should be prepared to eat rotten meat. Alan, what right do you have to question the will of the gods? What right? I only spoke their will. Besides, the gods have every right to change their decisions without approval.
Obiamaka, tread with caution. The gods cannot be mocked. Be warned for the last time.
The chameleon does not need to run fast to avert danger.
Nwokoye! My food!
Gods of our ancestors, gods of our land, Baron of my own, this is your own share. I'm so grateful to the gods. My crops and my livestock are growing well this season.
They have indeed favored the people of this land. And moreover, we have no reason to cry because we have done what they asked us to do. Again, we have a sorceress who commune with them day and night on our behalf. So, we are blessed all around.
Yes, we have every reason to celebrate.
You're right.
Greetings, my father.
Oh, greetings, my beautiful daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, father. How is Mama?
Mama is fine. And she sent her regards.
My regards to her.
Okay, my daughter. Nadi, she's grown as predicted. And beautiful too.
Yes, and right too.
Nadi, we should not be talking of celebration all the time. Remember to honor our long-time agreement.
I thought this day will never come.
He's here already.
What about your son?
Yes, Azubike, my son, is good. He's fine. And he is due to return to Amu.
Oh, that makes everything perfect.
You're right.
Well, my very good friend. It is good to have you back in our community. Our humble home. Sincerely, I am very happy to be back to Amu. You see, while I was away, while I was in my grandmother's place, my heart was right here in Amu. Because I left something precious which I must return to. You won't stop amazing me. I know you've been thinking about your parents, especially the sweet Olubosu your mother always prepares every market days for you. Yes, you're correct. But you see, there is more. More? My love. I could hardly sleep without thinking about her. You know, while I was away, all I was thinking about was how I will return and take her hand in marriage. Emenike, prepare yourself. You shall accompany me to see her parents. I'm confused here. Please. I don't understand. Who is she? How dare you ask such a question? Obiamaka, of course. God forbid. May the gods of our community forbid. May the gods of my ancestors forgive me for that. I don't hear or understand this evil, this abomination that is coming out from your mouth. What is wrong with you? No, what are you talking about? You cannot marry her. She is not married to the gods of our community, to the gods of this land. Yes, you cannot marry her. Father, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I love her. She's my other half. The reason I returned to Amugu.
I understand everything. But the gods have taken her.
The gods will have to let her be. Because I'm ready to confront the gods for her sake. You are a fool. Only fools
tread on the path of the gods. She is the sorceress of Amu. She is half human, half spirit. And thank the gods! There is still some humanity left in her. I want her, Father. She is my life. My other half. Even the gods, though they have wronged me by taking what rightfully belongs to me, I'm going to take what rightfully belongs to me. America, come back here! I said come back here, America! Even the gods, though they have wronged me, America! Come back here, America! A na-ekwu na ọkụkọ bụ nsị n'ụkwụ o were ọnụ n'afọ.
Now that Obiamaka is out of the way, Azubike should be mine and mine forever. Azubike, we are destined to be together, whether we like it or not. So good to have you back.
Akugo, how are you?
The gods are kind.
I wish I could say the same.
How do you mean?
Akugo, they have taken her. They have taken her, Akugo. They have taken away my love. This is wickedness. It's wickedness.
I got you food.
I'm not hungry.
You cannot blame them or kill yourself over who they've chosen to save them. And again, love is for the living.
Love is for the living? How do you mean?
I'm here for you.
You mean Obiamaka is dead and you are the living? How dare you?
That's not what I mean.
Leave my company.
Sorry,
Said leave my compound, else I will have you. Leave! And take this rubbish with you. Take it.
Hey, stop there! What do you want?
I must talk to her.
No, you can't.
Liensi. Obiamaka, look at me. Look at me, Obiamaka! Look into my eyes and tell me you never cared. Tell me all that we shared all these years never meant a thing to you. Tell me you now prefer the gods to Azubike. Tell me! Talk to me! Talk to me! Obiamaka! Obiamaka! Why? Godson. Why? Why?
Azubike.
Igwe.
Stay away from her. You must dispel your mind from her. Is that clear?
Igwe.
Mirima was the one betrothed to you by the gods when you were very little. And this is the right time for both of you to meet.
Yes. In case you don't understand the message. Whatever goes up must come down when the time comes. Stop treading on the path of the gods. Stay away from Obiamaka.
Igwe, I'll do as you have ordered. As much as I love her, I cannot go against the wishes of the gods and disobey my king.
Good.
Why? Why are you making my life miserable? Why? I am not the girl that you want to keep as your sorceress. I do not want to be here. I don't want to be here. I do not want to serve you. Why don't you just free me? Free me!
Free me so that I can go back to the love of my life. I want to be free. I want to be free from you all. I want to be free. I want to be free from your grip. A grip that has caused me so much pain. A grip that stabbed my heart so badly that I am now a walking dead. I love you. Azubike, you are the love of my life. And I promise you, no woman ever take my place in your heart. I promise you that. Just free me. I don't want to serve you. Find someone else. I don't want to be here. I want to leave. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. Just free me. Just free me. Free me.
Our ghost cannot fly, but are we to be because? Are we to be because? Ghost of our land.
Come to think of it, do you know that Mma is a very lucky girl? Getting married to Azubike is like getting married to the finest man in this kingdom.
He's strong, handsome, cute and hardworking. I really envy him, you know.
Who won't be envious? Azubike stands out amongst all the men in this kingdom, and you know that.
Greetings to you, my maidens.
Greetings to you too.
I overheard you talking about Azubike. Did anything bad happen to him?
What can happen to the strongest warrior this kingdom has ever known?
So,
he's getting married soon.
To whom?
To Mma, of course.
That's not true.
Mm.
That cannot be possible.
Ah.
It cannot happen.
Okay. If you think you can really stop him, go and try. Go on.
So it's you, Mirima. How many more secrets are out there that Akugo is not aware of? To think that Obiamaka is out of the way and I can have him to myself. Now, Mirima, this will not happen. This will never happen. You, this little girl. So as little as you are, you started stealing what is not yours.
And what have I stolen from you, Akugo?
And what have you not stolen from me, Mirima? what you did to him.
And what if he was the one that did something to you? Will you go to him and ask him to undo what he did to you?
Mirima, I like you so much not to hurt you. Stay away from him! Stay away from him, Mirima! Stay away from him!
Obiamaka, the sorceress of Amogo, I greet you. You sent for me.
Why did it take you this long to honor my invitation? You claim to be my friend. All this while, you had eyes that would be. You pretended not to like him. In fact, you only had bad things to say about him each time we're together. But you were dying in silence just to have him. Oh. That means all your sympathy towards me because of my predicament were all lies and pretense. Why? You were like the sister I never had. You were my most trusted friend. In fact, the only friend I had. I never kept any secret from you. I loved you so much. All this while, you were pretending. You knew how much I loved that speaking. You were secretly dying to be with me. Now listen. Stay away from him. I do not want to repeat myself again.
Let me have her. You know he belongs to God. And what benefit will it be to you to stop him?
Abubu, I will pretend that I did not hear that. I am warning you again. Stay away from him.
Never. I love him.
Stubbornness. Stubbornness kills faster than the epidemic from the gods. Do not dare me, because you will not like what I will do to you. You will not. Stay away.
I won't.
I know how to do
Greetings.
My children, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Mirima.
Greetings to you, Azibeke. You brought Mirima back?
Yes, the day is fast spent and she has to assist in preparing night meal.
That was very thoughtful of you. I'm happy both of you are getting along.
Yes, we are. She is very nice and wise. I thank you both for grooming such a rare beauty just for me.
You deserve everything good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I beg to take my leave.
Don't for them. Stay back. The food will soon be ready. Please.
You should eat before you leave.
I would. Enough tomorrow. My stomach is reserved for my mother's meal tonight.
I understand you, my son. I understand.
Let me walk in on you.
Extend my regards to my friend Adim and your mother.
They will hear. They will hear.
Bye. Listen, I will be a grandmother.
As you all know, the practice of witchcraft in our land is a serious crime.
Yes!
You both soiled your hand in the evil practice. The practice, our land was cleansed off so many years ago. Please, high of the gods, although our people have gone out for their various activities, please tell the few ones here what you said you saw.
Last night, I was in spirit, and the gods took me round the village and showed me a lot of things that I cannot begin to tell you because most of them are beyond human comprehension. But in that move, I saw Nadi and his wife practicing witchcraft. The same evil they used to trick Azubike into thinking that Mirima, their daughter, is the right woman for him.
No! It is not true. I've never done a thing like that. We are innocent, my king.
Keep quiet! You don't speak when the sorceress speaks.
Nadi! By trying to say you're innocent, are you saying that I am a liar? Nadi! You dare call me, the sorceress of Amugu, a liar? The sorceress of your land? I will tell you who the liar is. Your Highness, send guards to his house. Let them search everywhere. Even if the charm is hidden, the gods will expose it.
Guards!
Yes, Highness.
Do as this sorceress instructed.
Old mode! Get him bucketing. Let's go.
Have you all seen it? Nadi! Nadi! Hey! This is the judgment of the gods. Tomorrow, they shall be made to walk round the village naked.
Yes!
And after that, they shall be put to death by burning.
Yes! Sorceress of our land. But that law has been abolished long time ago.
That is the decision of the gods. They have spoken.
We are innocent! We are innocent! We are innocent! Save your children from this
Don't what you were asking for.
Believing my daughter, we are innocent of all what we were accused of.
Yes, William. Your father is right. We never practiced witchcraft or get anything from incantation. We believe in our cause, only we worship them every day. Then why have that same God accused you of witchcraft? I don't know. Why? Have they become men who deceive and lay false accusations? Have they? one that abolished death by pony. I've suddenly changed your mind. Now who am I going to call to save you from this?
Leave!
We are innocent! We are!
You people are still crying. Huh? Shut your mouth up!
They are innocent. They've never processed witchcraft. Then why are the gods doing this to us? Why? I was told that our gods are just...
What God do you speak for?
I speak for the gods of our moon kingdom.
Death by bondage was abolished long time ago after a series of sacrifices to the gods. Why did you bring it back?
Manke bujala aja na mmili ya na maka na mmili bondo azu kosi kisi mmili ya fe ndị ichi amu ugwu ezigbo m ozi ozi fasili m ka m na-eje. I did not bring it back. The gods did. I am only following their orders. Are you questioning the gods?
I am questioning you because the same God that you speak for has asked me to ask you what God do you speak for.
You lie! Anani! You lie! If the gods have a question for me, they will come directly to me and not to an old Arani who has outlived her usefulness. Nadi and his wife shall die by burning. The gods have spoken.
Obiarije Muna. Obiarije Muna. Ionye metara. Yabu. Ionye metara. Yabu.
When a snake refuses to make use of its venom, children will use it as a play rope. Get out, all of you. I want to be left alone. Out!
was in this river I took my first bath in life. And they called me Mirima, a fine spring from the gods. The day I was born was the day that the plague that besieged the people of this land ended. And waters became pure again. Gods of our ancestors, my parents are innocent. They are innocent of all the accusations, and you know it. Gods of our ancestors, come and fight on my behalf.
If I'm a man, no. If I'm a banana, if I'm a banana,
Your Highness, elders of Amugu Kingdom, I greet you.
We greet you too.
The High of the Gods is here to tell us what the gods have for us in the preparation of our next farming season.
From the gods, I bring great tidings. Tidings of favor and bounty. Tidings of great harvest. The harvest of this coming season will be great. Harvest of crops. Harvest of husbands and wives.
You see?
Harvest of children.
Very interesting.
These are the promises from the gods if we continue to obey their every command. The gods are indeed happy with us.
Eye of the gods. This is wonderful.
Yes. That's very good.
Liar!
Yes,
Liar! That is what you are. You are evil.
How dare you, child, call the sorceress of Amugu a liar? Are you not afraid to die?
I am not afraid of death, for it has no power over since it took my parents through you. You speak for nobody but yourself.
Shut up. Shut up, you child, before the gods kill you the way they killed your parents.
I am not afraid of death. You all are afraid of her. but I am not. If it pleases the gods to smite me for speaking the truth, then they should be quick about it. You executed my innocent parents, even with their cries of innocence. You gathered the entire villagers for a show of shame for my parents over a crime they knew nothing about.
Huh?
What manner of a woman are you? She is the new face of evil in Amogu Kingdom.
I'm going to teach you the lesson of your life. Because so can you not abo ada kunu fusisi.
Please, spare me, spare me, let me confess. Spare me, let me confess. I have been in denial. I have been in denial since I became the sorceress of Amugu. I have denied them justice. I denied them justice because I have been an angry woman. I have been angry with everybody, including the gods of the land. Because they denied me the love of my life. They denied me the love of my life. And they made me an unhappy woman. So I decided to take my revenge on everybody, especially lovers or anybody in love. I went to a strange land and I acquired strange powers so that I can carry out my evil plans. Hey! I want you to give me great powers. Powers so that I can subdue and manipulate the people of Amu. So that anything I say, they will believe it. That is all I want.
Your wish shall be granted. Come with me.
My people, I called the few of you that are still around to come so that I can apologize to all of you. I want you to forgive me for the judgment I pronounced on Nnadi and his wife. They were indeed innocent. Hey! I was just jealous of the fact that their daughter was being given to the love of my life, Azubike, as his wife. Azubike is the reason I became vindictive. And I swore that no maiden in Amugu Kingdom will ever get married as long as I remain the sorceress of this land.
Azubike, please come.
Hey! Azubike, do not be afraid. Come. Please, I ask you to forgive me. Forgive me for what I've done. I love you. I have always loved you. And I will always love you. My life actually ended the day I lost you. Please forgive me. And I ask you all to please forgive me.
Igwe, my elders, I greet you.
We greet you too. Messenger from the gods. Who is she?
She is a new sorceress. She is chosen by the gods for my own kingdom. The gods knew about Obiamaka's atrocities. So they have decided to use her to wipe away our tears.
This news gladdens my heart.
It gladdens my heart too.
In that case, go guide the drums. Let the celebration continue.
Nwokoye!